Alright, so now I'm going to work on my second idea. You know, at the end of the day, maybe I'll do all three. I'm definitely going to try all three blocks, see what happens, and maybe I'll do all three. I don't know. We'll see. The first one is definitely going to be the most time consuming, but those are the ones I really kind of like doing. So, see if I learned any lessons from the first one I made. Let's see here. So that would be the middle. And we want each block to be about an inch apart. Halfway point here. Oh, angles. Okay, let's see here. If you go like that, if you go like that, that should be the middle, right? And that is not quite a, it says not an inch. It's the problem. The problem is it's not an inch. So these two, so if you go like this, that's an inch. And if you go like that, it's not an inch. You see that? It's not an inch. You go like this, and it's like 3/4 of an inch. But these two are an inch apart. So I need them to be the same distance apart. And the final product, that's what we're going to go with. The final product, I need to be the same distance apart. Okay, so 1, 2, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so that's the center of each block. So let's just do this. So if we go like this 2 inches, we go like this 2 inches. No, I did it again. Doggone it, what is wrong with me? You can tell I don't know what I'm doing here. Just faking it. Okay, so this is 2 inches right there. And that's 2 inches right there. So then, this 2 inches. Go like this. Please be 2 inches. So this one, this idea does not have a circle in the background. That's 2 inches, so that's good. Okay. And then, once again, we have the Steelers. Either the logo or the embroidery. I haven't decided yet. I'm going to try both. I guess I can. One, two, three. I'll measure out 4, but it's not going to be 4. It's going to be like 3.5 or something. Finish size. Alright, once again the background's going to be white. To be a square. How big is this? Right? Uh-oh, smearing. So if I go like this makes it. If I go 1 inch over here, and I do 1 inch over here, that is about 10, just about 10 inches. So I could do a 10-inch square. That makes sense. Uh-oh, look at this. There's a huge gap. So it's about an inch and a little bit, about an inch or so up there, but down here, look. That is way too big. That's like 2 inches. So if I go, alright, so 1.5 inches down, 1, 2. And if I go 1.5 inches up here, so if I get, oh yeah, okay. I just don't know how to measure. You can tell I don't know what I'm doing here. Alright, so 10-inch square. Oy, oy, oy. It's fine. It'll be fine. In the end, everything will be fine. So we need this to be 10.5 inches over here. Go a little bit more. Okay, so that's a 10.5-inch square. Look at that. In order to make it a square, look, I'm so dumb. Oh my gosh. It's supposed to be up here. There. My Steelers logo is gonna have to be smaller, I think. But you kind of get the idea, I hope. So it's just basically the logo inside of a square instead of inside of a circle, basically. And then I'm going to have the gray border and a black border. Okay, so this right now is attempting to be a 10.5-inch square, but I think it's going to be a 10-inch square, and then so let me do this part real quick. Where's my silver? So you can imagine that it's going to be the white background, and then the black and silver borders. Yeah, yep. Black, and then yellow. I'm not sure I can draw these blocks again. It was a struggle the first 2 times. Red. Good enough. And then the blue. Ta-da! Okay. All right. White background, gray and black border. This would be either embroidered, or I would do this right here. I don't know. I have to think about it because I don't actually have very much of this fabric. Alright, so that is the second one. It looks alright. It's fine. Alright, let's do the third one.